So now we're going to be doing division. We covered adding, subtraction, multiplication. Now we're going to be doing division. Division is quite the opposite of multiplication. If you memorized your numbers on the multiplication chart, the division will come quite easy because it's just the backwards. It's just saying the backward numbers, saying the backwards. So like you're saying 2 times 6 equals 12. So now we just flip the numbers, the quotient and all that. So we have 12 divide into 6 equals, so we have 12 divided into 6 equals 2. Okay? That's all it is. So if you know your multiplication chart, you will know how to do the division part like this, quite simple. So, but sometimes we don't all follow the memorization route. So we end up doing a little bit extra work, which is okay because it helps you think out the process and it helps you get a better understanding of what it is that you're trying to do. So let's take 14 divided into 7 equals, and we don't know what that is, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to take 14 tick marks or tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So now looking at that, yes, it can be done, but sometimes when you look at it, your eyes play tricks on you and you lose count. So if you're going to do it like that, please pay really close attention to what you're doing. So we have 14 tick marks. We're going to break them into 7 groups. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'm going to break it like this. And then we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. How many groups did we make? Or how many Verikpaw cookies did we make? We made 2. So 14 divided into 7, we now know is 2. So we can do it that way. The other way is with using arrays. I like using Lego blocks with that one, but we're going to try it this way. So we're going to try a different number. Let's try 32 divided into what? Let's go 2. 32 into 2 groups. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my 2 groups. I'm going to go like this, 1, 2, make my 2 groups like that. So I got 2 groups. Now I'm going to divide 32 into there. So I'm just going to make tick marks and tally marks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So according to my tally marks here, I have 5, 10, 15, 16. 16. 32 divided into 2 is 16. So that's one way to do it. So we have making the groups, making tally marks and making the groups, or taking 2 groups, or taking the groups and then counting them out. So first we made the tally marks, the second time we made the groups, and then we counted them out. So those are 2 ways to do division. But remember, if you memorize your multiplication chart, you'll have no problem doing division because it just comes naturally. It's just the backward or the opposite of multiplication.